Hi friends, good evening. This is me Harikishan Jadhav. Today we are going to discuss about the topic name. The topic name is much more interested. It is related to core Java and it is much more interesting. So before discussing today's topic, we will have to discuss regarding something about today's video information. So this video we will make on the day of 7 October 2024 on the day of Monday. So today's topic is nothing but tree map in Java. So before understanding the tree map in Java, we need to understand first that is what is a collection and why we need collection in Java. So first we understood that. So we see that in array the size of array is fixed. So and we can store only homogeneous data in that particular array. So there is no chance to increase or decrease the size of array in Java. So before the Java facing the difficulties regarding to store or to manipulate the object of the any classes. So Java introduced is new feature, that is collection. So collection is nothing but collection of object or interfaces or classes in a single entity. So you can store the homogeneous and heterogeneous data into it. So there is a no fixed size for the collection. So in that there are there are three types of collection, that is a list, set and map. In list there are also subtype, that is array list, linked list. In set also hash set, link hash set, tree set, and in map also hash map, link hash map or tree map. So today's topic is a tree map. So first we understood that the map. The map is nothing but where you want to store the value of in, keep and pair. Then you have to go for a mapping map. So in that the one key we are going to pass, and the for that key there is a one value which is associated to that particular key. So ultimately they are connected with each other in key value pair. So in map you can store the data like key value pair. So in tree map, we can that insertion order is preserved, and the null insertion is not allowed in tree map. So that is also one type of drawback of tree map. So in other hash map or link hash map you can the null insertion is allowed, but in tree map you don't allow that. You have to do null insertion in the tree map. So in this also the various types of methods are present, like equal, equals, contain, is empty, size. So different types of method are present in the map. So I think this is all about the tree map. So it is structured like a tree map. So it is containing the key and value pair in it. So in this video we will cover all those points regarding collection, and in collection we saw about the tree map. So in this we are covering all those points, like why we need collection in Java, why we use map in Java. In that we will discuss about the map. So these all the points we will cover in the today's video. So this is the most important part in collection. So in collection the project the collection part is mostly used. So this is all about the tree map. So today's we will cover all those points regarding the topic that we provide, that is a tree map. So this is all about today's topic, that is tree map. Thank you so much.